Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to add a profile picture to contacts on Android, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Android phone and open the phone app. You can find it on your home screen or within your app drawer. Step 2. Once you're inside the phone app, you'll see all your saved contacts listed on the screen. Step 3. Now, select the contact you'd like to add a profile picture to. Just tap on their name to open their contact details. Step 4. Next, look for a pencil icon in the top right corner of the screen. This icon allows you to edit the contact. Go ahead and tap on it. Step 5. In the Edit menu, look for the option that says Add Picture. Once you see it, tap on it to start adding a photo. Step 6. Now, select Gallery as your photo source and choose the picture you want to assign to this contact. Step 7. With the photo chosen, you'll now have the option to customize it, like adjusting the size to fit within the contact frame. Once it looks good, tap on Choose at the bottom of the screen. Step 8. Finally, tap on Save in the top right corner to confirm your changes and save the profile picture to the contact. And that's it. You've successfully added a profile picture to contacts on Android. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.